Research, collaboration, communication with clients, purchasing, and many other business activities rely on the internet. However, there are many threats to your business on the web, starting with those encountered while doing a simple everyday task, such as browsing. Safe browsing involves a combination of security safeguards and practices. Here are some steps you can take to make sure that your business browses safely and securely. Begin by writing and publishing an internet usage policy that clearly explains to employees what they can and cannot do when using business systems to connect to the internet. There are many templates and examples of internet usage policies that can be found online. Train your employees on the content of your internet usage policy. Encourage ongoing security awareness by regularly communicating with employees about safe browsing practices. Explain to employees how to check the domains of websites to avoid visiting dangerous websites. Implement a site rating tool as an extension to the browser on user computers. This will help employees identify safe websites. How to identify suspicious links on web pages. Hovering your cursor over a link will display the actual destination URL either in a small text box that appears temporarily over the link or at the bottom of the browser window. Try this before clicking on a link and check for the following. If the link text is a URL, compare it with the actual destination. Cyber criminals often use different text. Example, what you see is login to mybank.com to update your account information, but the actual destination is a lookalike site at another location, such as myfakebank.com. Check for URLs that are similar to sites you know, but are slightly different, such as Google.com or Google123.com instead of Google.com. This technique is commonly used to trick people into false confidence when visiting sites. In many cases, the fake sites are made to look almost identical to the original. Always be suspicious of URLs you don't recognize. Remember that images as well as text can be linked, so use the same caution clicking on images as you would with text. When in doubt, copy and paste the URL into a search engine to identify the site without visiting it.